Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. This is part 23 of the e-commerce app playlist. In this video, we will finish the product details fragment completely. So we will be able to see our product information and we will also be able to add it into our cart. By the way, if you are wondering why does my project look different from the last video, I actually just changed the theme. So nothing changed in my project, just the theme. If you want to change that, it's very simple. You can go to File, go Settings, and Appearance, then choose Appearance, and in here you can choose your theme. So you can click on here and here's my theme. It's called Xcode Dark. You can click on Get More Themes and download it from here. Now let's actually start with today's video. And the first thing we would do is to go to our fragment, and inside the shopping package, the product details fragment, in here we just going to extend from fragment. We're going to pass or we just can leave the constructor empty because we're going to initialize binding now. So we can say private latinate var binding, and this is fragment product details binding. And now we need three adapters. We need the first adapter for view pager, so private val view pager adapter, and I will just initialize this by lazy. And in here we can say view pager to images. We're just gonna create that. We need an adapter for the size recycle view. So private val size adapter by lazy, and this is size or sizes adapter. Finally, for our color, so color adapter, and here color or colors adapter. Delete this, and I will just correct this word. And to make sure that the name of the class and the name of the variable are the same, just gonna change this to sizes and to colors adapter. Okay, now inside the create view, we're going to create our binding instance. So binding equals to fragment product details binding dot inflate, and then here we pass the inflator. Here we return the root, and now on view created, and for now leave this and go to your shopping graph, this one, because we have two graphs, one for the login and register graph and the other one is shopping graph, which has all the fragments in our app. Now we want to add our fragment, the product details fragment, to this graph, put it in here, and if you want to show the preview for this fragment, go to split, click on this and type layout, then add the ID of that layout, which is fragment product details. And it will show in here like this. And for this fragment, we want to add a key value argument. So like we pass that through a bundle, we pass, so we could pass the product, so we could pass the product object to this fragment and show its information. So to add an argument for this fragment, we can just select that, click on the add icon, then in here you choose the name of your key, so product, and here you choose the type. Now in our case, we want to move a whole object. That's why you want to use this custom personable. But first we want to make our class, our product class, personalizable, because if we don't do that, we can't get our class in here. We don't see our product class. So let's go to our product class and make it personalized. So in here we can just annotate this with personalize and choose the one that comes from Kotlin X. Then you also want to implement the personable interface, this one. And now if we go back to our shopping graph, try to add that argument. So I'm gonna name it product and custom personable, And as you can see here, we find our product because we make it personalized. Now click on OK, and now we initiate the links between these fragments with the product details. So on the one hand, in the home fragment, we have products that we want to show their details. So we make a link, same thing in search, same thing in cart, but we'll implement those later. Okay, that's it for our nav graph. We can close it, get back to our product details fragment. In here, we can actually get our product now by saying this val args, so private val args, name this args or any name you want, by nav args, and here we pass product details fragment args. Now this class is auto-generated class that has our product argument we specified inside the nav graph. Now to get that product, we can get it inside the InnoView created, so we can say val product equals to args dot product, and as you can see, you should get a product in here because we named it product inside the nav graph. Now let's actually set up our recycle reviews. So I would like to do that real quick. Set up sizes RV, set up colors RV, and set up view pager. So let's create all of these functions. And inside the setup view pager, we can say binding.apply, and we can say view pager product images. We can add our adapter to this, so we can say view pager adapter. Now for the indicator, we have not added that yet, so we'll leave it. We might add it later, it's not that important. Now inside the setup color RV, we first going to access to our color RV colors, and apply, add that adapter, then the layout manager, which is linear layout manager, and we pass the context. Same thing in here. I'm gonna copy this, paste it, but this time for RV sizes I will just refactor this name so we have a consist names. So I will make this sizes, click on OK, and in here we're going to give it the sizes adapter, and for the layout manager it's gonna be linear layout. Okay, now finally we can show this product information into these adapters. First, we would like to start with the title, so TV product name dot text equals to product dot name. Then we will add the price, so TV product price dot text. We will add first the $sign or any currency you want, then we get the price, and now the description, so TV product description dot text equals to our product dot description. And outside of this binding block, we can update our adapters, starting with the view pager adapter dot differ dot submit list. Here we can pass product dot images. Same thing for sizes. Let's start with colors actually. Differ dot submit list product dot colors. However, not all products have colors, so I would just do this. Product dot colors question mark dot lit. So we can enter this block only if this colors object is not null. If it's not null, then we can just update our adapter. So we can say colors adapter dot differ dot submit list. We can submit it. Same thing for the sizes. Copy this one or duplicate it. Call this sizes, and we will update the sizes adapter. And that's already it. That's it for this fragment. Until now, we will get back to this later to implement the add to cart click. Okay, now let's go to our base category fragment, or we actually would like to start from the main category fragment. We'll add the same functionality for both of these both of these fragments. Now inside the adapters, we actually want to have a click listener or a lambda click because we have not added that in these adapters. So starting with the special products adapter, in here we can say on click, we'll send the product and this will return unit. Then we can make this null, but we need to wrap this. Okay, so now we can say item view or holder.item view dot set on click listener. And now we can just call the on click. We can invoke that. Sorry, just call invoke and send the product, but we invoke it only if it's implemented. Okay, I'm gonna copy this and we will do the same for our other adapters. So best deals adapter, paste in here. We can say holder.itemView.set on click listener. I'm just copy this one from here, put it in here. Same thing for our best products adapter. So copy this, paste it, same thing in here. Now close this, and inside the main category fragment, we can now say special products adapter dot onClick equals, and here we get our product. So finally we can navigate to our product details fragment. So we can say navcontroller.navigate. We will navigate from the home fragment to product details fragment. That's it, but we have not sent the product yet. So how do we send that product? We can put it inside a bundle object. So val b equals to bundle, can call apply on that. Then you can put perishable, and the key of this object is product. So just as the key that we have specified inside the nav graph, and here we pass it, which is the product. And after that we can pass it inside this function. Now I'm gonna copy this, paste it down here twice, and we will just change the adapter. So best deals adapter, and for the best products adapter. Now if you launch the app, okay, now let's click on this product for example, and as you can see, this is awesome. But one problem, which is the recycle views, I think we have specified the wrong layout manager. Also, the name of this button is lock-in. We need to change that to add to cart. Let's do these changes real quick. Let's go to our product details fragment, and let's see, in the linear layout manager, we need to specify the orientation, which we have not done. So the orientation here is linear layout manager dot horizontal, and pass false for the reverse layout. Same thing for the colors recycle view. Copy these and paste it in here. Now we can go to our root, and we can also change the name of our button. So click on it, or just scroll to the bottom, and in here change this to add to cart. Cart, not card, so T. And we launch the app again to see that. Okay, let's try this one. As you can see, for this one we don't have colors actually, so that's why we have not implemented this also. And one thing, yeah, I just forgot is to hide this whenever we navigate to this screen, so we'll do this also now. Let's actually try another product. This one, as you can see, this one has sizes and colors, so it works. And I just forgot to do something, like if we select a color, as you can see, this is also works. Same thing for sizes, we can select size in here. So this is actually very awesome, everything works. And now what we want to do, as I said, is to hide this bottom navigation whenever we navigate to this screen. So we can do this from the screen itself. We can do it from the product details fragment. In here, in the only creative view, we can hide it. So to do that, we can say val bottom navigation view equals to, and we cast it to our shopping activity. because we have that bottom navigation inside that activity. And here we can say find view by ID, bottom navigation view, and here we just pass the ID of that. So import R, and we can just say dot bottom navigation, and in here we can say bottom navigation view dot visibility equals to view dot let's make it gone. We will use this in other places, that's why I will just copy it, go to our URL class, and we just gonna create a file, and I will just call this show hide bottom navigation. Create that. We're going to create two extensions functions, so fragment, and the first one is to hide the bottom view navigation or bottom navigation view. In here we can just paste this, we can paste it, copy this one, paste it down below and call this show. In here we can actually change the visibility to visible. Now going back to our product details fragment, we can just call that function. We can call hide bottom navigation view, and let's launch the app now. Okay, let's click on this product. As you can see, we don't have our bottom navigation view anymore, but if we navigate back now, that bottom navigation view is still invisible, so we want to make sure to show it again. To do that, we can go to our main category fragment, and inside the onResume function we can just override that. We can call show bottom navigation view. Launch that and click on this, get back. As you can see, we got it back like this. Now we also wanna set click listener for these products in other categories. As you can see, don't have a click listener on that yet. So scroll here, you can copy this line for the best products adapter, copy it, and inside the base category fragment, in here you can actually paste it in here inside the only view created, and paste it one more time for the offer adapter. And that's actually it. Override the onResume function and show the bottom navigation view. Now everything should work. Go to chair, click on here. As you can see, we are able to see all information about that chair. Only have one picture. Let's actually set click listener on this close icon, because I forgot to do that. So product details fragment, and in here we can say binding dot image close dot set on a click listener. Can say find nav control dot navigate up. So let's go back, go to cupboard for example. As you can see, everything just works. Let's actually see a product with multiple pictures. Maybe this one. Okay, not this one. This one, not even this one. This, don't have this. Nope. Okay, this one has multiple pictures. As you can see, we are able to swipe between them. Okay, one more thing I want to do is to hide these text views if we don't have colors or sizes. So let's go to product details fragment. So to do that, inside the binding.apply block, we can say if product.colors is empty or null, or is null or empty, then we just can hide this text view. So TV colors dot visibility equals to view invisible, and same thing for our size text view. So sizes, and here we just make this TV product size. Let's launch the app again. Go here. As you can see, we only get these informations. Here we can select everything, so it just works very cool. Okay guys, so I was planning to implement the add to cart functionality, but I can see that this video is long already, so I will do that in the next video, because I also want to explain to you how we can create sub-collection inside a document, so this will just take a long time. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you have a great day and catch you in the next one.